Good morning, another day. We will do the irrigation part. Actually, they are technicians. They will set agricultural irrigation, let's say. Let me show you. They placed the new system. They will use their apparatus and they will make it available for Avocado Garden. To do the irrigation, all we have to do will open the veins and let the water flow inside those. The system is called a dropping irrigation system. So it's dropping the water right into the roots of the tree. As you can see, they will all go under the tree and around the root of the tree so that it's easier to irrigate the trees. I feel so tired, so I have less energy today because yesterday I worked for 10 hours, 10 full working hours. Oh, I feel so tired. I guess especially my muscles hurt so much, but it's okay. We are about to finish the irrigation, then we will start planting the trees tomorrow. I have to use this to cut some columns around the tree, around the seedling, so that we can make the shadowing around it. They call it shadowing. You have to make sure that the avocado seedling is protected from harsh winds and direct sunlight, so you have to do that. So I have to cut some, I don't know the name of the plant. Well, this plant is the plant that I was talking about. I have to cut some. Well, we have to clear these parts. Make sure this part is gone. We will put 4 of them around the tree and we will put our fabric around, the shadowing material around it, so that we can protect the seedling from both wind and direct sunlight. Nick the chopper is a very old man. Nick the chopper. As you can see, I am the new Hercules. Yes, we are working on it. We are at the end. And let me show you. A new idea came to my mind if we will be able to do it. So I thought this is the border of our garden. And I thought, wouldn't it be cool if we do not plant any trees there? Instead, we can do some greenhouse. Starting from here till the end. Inside of that greenhouse, ananas is available to grow, which I love. I love ananas, and also mango and all other things. You can just plant everything. And also, we can plant banana there, banana, mango, dragon fruit. They can all grow inside that greenhouse. And it just came into my mind how cool it will be if we will be able to manage that greenhouse right here. And also I will remove this olive tree. Olive trees are so cool they can grow anywhere and you can move them anytime you want. So we will just move it to that side, and you see there is another olive tree right there, and I can move this one right next to it. So let's see what will happen. I'm really enthusiastic. I'm getting really enthusiastic. In one of the trees, I've seen this one. I mean, we couldn't see it before, but a minute ago, I just could see it. It will just wait till it gets softer, then I will eat. It makes me so curious. Maybe there are some more. Let's check it out. I can't see any fruit. That was only one. I was kind of fortunate to find it. In the coming years, we're expecting the seedlings to become trees. These are 5 years old, and 5 years ago this garden was made like this basically, but there are only few trees left from 5 years ago. The others couldn't survive actually. Now we planted them with using different methods, and we will make sure they are healthy. Actually, I will make sure for a year these trees are healthy, and after that, who knows where will I go. As I told you before, this part will be our home here, and you can see my car. I've done the wiring here. When the time comes, I will remove these wires as well, and we will build a door here for cars, and our cars can just come in, park here, and just imagine this part will be a nice home looking to beautiful view of Dragon River. You can see, and as you can see, we didn't plant anything right here because these holes will be around our home, so I'll make sure that we have some other trees here as well, like lemon tree. For instance, you're eating something and you want some lemon. You will just get out of home. Here is your lemon tree. Cool, I guess. We can plant something else here, and that hole we will plant another olive tree. We have a grown lemon tree here already. It will be so good. Looking at this view, I'm just thinking about the plan of the home. I'm just thinking about having a huge balcony in higher side. I will just advise to build a terrace, and in that terrace we can see 360 view of all beautiful environment around here. Just see it. It is very beautiful, and listen to this. So the sound of the nature itself is like so refreshing, so just feel it. And in summer times, you know, Anamur is hot as hell. Here in this garden it won't be that hot, and we can just feel windy, refreshing air of Dragon River right here. We will be able to feel it every time here. By the way, I'm really glad that I quit smoking. It's been a year or something like that, nearly a year, I guess 11 months, and not even a single breath I took from a cigarette, because this is so beautiful. Air of nature. Being here is really good for human longevity, you know, and I'm super interested in that. I want to live forever, and human longevity led me through this village. In cities, you know, all that air pollution. For instance, in Ankara, it is so air polluted in winter, and it is so cold. In every breath you take, you're just inhaling the toxic of that air pollutant zone. But right here, it is naturally clean. Most of the time. Because sometimes I know some people in Anamur are using coal as their fuel for winter. Okay, sun is going down, and today we called it a day. Tomorrow we'll continue with planting our seedlings, and that will be the exciting part, I guess. Till now we just try to give the garden a shape, and tomorrow, starting from tomorrow and following days, we'll be planting all the trees of avocado and orange and lemon, and all the fruits that we're planning we will do the shadowing process as well. Okay, see you tomorrow.